back to our channel. I'm Lauren with Lockhart Tactical, and today we'll be looking at the Wheeler Engineering Master Roll Pin Punch Set. Well, they've done it. They've combined the roll pin starter set and the ball profile roll pin punch set with a precision machined gunsmithing hammer, all into one comprehensive kit. Both of the sets have knurled handles, are machined and hardened from steel to prevent bending or breaking, and start at 1/16 of an inch and have 9 roll pins ending in a 5/16. The ball profile roll pin punch set is designed with a ball profile tip to provide proper alignment of the roll pin and prevent damage to the firearm or the roll pin. The ball tip profile is perfect for driving set roll pins and recessing them into assemblies. The ball profile helps prevent the punch from slipping off the roll pin and damaging the finish of your gun. The roll pin starter set is designed with a counterboard tip to properly align and start the roll pin, preventing damage to the firearm. By slipping the roll pin into the recessed tip, you can gain much needed purchase for starting the roll pin into the hole. This also helps provide alignment on roll pins for hard to reach spots. The small hammer included in the package only weighs 6 ounces. It has one side of the head made of nylon for precise work and non-marring surfaces, and one side of the head made of brass for harder strikes that won't deform punches. For more information, visit us at lockharttactical.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. This has been Lauren with Lockhart Tactical. Over and out. Try saying that 10 times fast. Ball profile roll pin punch set. Ball profile roll pin punch set.